While gearing up for the upcoming polls in Tamil Nadu, BJP has announced its candidate list for the state. The Saffron Party is going to contest on 20 seats in alliance with the AIADMK. The state BJP chief L. Murugan is going to contest from Dharapuram, while party's women's cell chief Vanati Srinivasan is going to contest against actor turned Neta and M&M chief Kamal Hassan from Coimbatore South constituency. Adding to the star power, the new joinee of the Saffron Party, actor Khushbu Sundar, is going to be contesting from Thousand Lights constituency in Chennai, while H. Raja has got the poll ticket from Karaikudi and Annamalai is going to contest Aravakurchi seat. The BJP has announced its list of candidates for Kerala as well. The party is going to contest on 115 seats. Former state BJP chief Rajasekharan is going to contest from Nimom. E. Sridharan has been given a ticket from Palakkad, while KJ Alphonse is going to contest from Kanjirapalli.
The BJP is contesting as an NDA partner, and we will be contesting in 20 assembly constituencies, and these 20 assembly constituencies, they are spread over all the regions of Tamil Nadu. Our very dynamic State President Dr. L. Murugan, he will be contesting from Dharapuram, the SC constituency. Our senior leader and ex-National Secretary H. Raja will contest from Karaikudi. Srimati Khushbu Sundar will contest from Thousand Lights. Chennai, yes, in Chennai.
Pramod Madhav is getting us more details on that story. He joins us from Chennai. A few high-profile candidates that the BJP is also fielding, Pramod, this time around, fancying its chances really as a junior partner in a possible victory with an alliance, after an alliance with the AIADMK in the state of Tamil Nadu, which is an election really without Karunanidhi, without Jayalalitha, isn't it?
It absolutely is, and there are three interesting factors in this digital, in this list that we've been provided. Interesting, yes, L. Murugan is going to contest from Dharapuram, but interesting fact was that Khushbu Sundar, earlier it was said that she was going to contest from Chepauk, where she was going to go head-on with M.K. Stalin's son, Udaynithi Stalin. And interestingly, we see now that the constituency was not given to BJP, and Thousand Lights is where Khushbu Sundar is going to contest. And the another factor is that P. Saravanan, another, only today, he was a DMK, MLA from Madurai North, Thiruparam Kuntram, and that person, he actually joined BJP today morning, and now his name is also on the list for Madurai North. Those are very interesting scenario which we could see over here. And of course, H. Raja has also got a ticket from Karaikudi, and this is what the list shows us for now.
All right, Pramod, thanks for getting us up to speed with that.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.